The Health Ministry has noted the overwhelming response to the vaccination exercise for persons 60 years and older, which moved into the second part of Phase 1 last Wednesday. According to the ministry, over 2,000 senior citizens have received their first dose of the Oxford, AstraZeneca, and Sinopharm vaccines. And while Health Minister Dr. Frank Anthony is confident that the country is on target so far to having a significant percentage of its elderly population protected against severe illness caused by the virus, he indicated that following that, persons from other age groups will have their chance to be immunized. He was at the time speaking during the daily COVID-19 update on Monday.
Once we have completed this age group, then we'll go to other age groups. So we'll then lower it maybe to 50 and above, and then we'll drop it to 40 and above, and so forth. The challenge, however, is making sure that we have adequate supplies of vaccines, and we have been working to ensure that we get a constant flow of vaccines.
In addition to the 103,000 vaccines that were donated to Guyana by the governments of Barbados, China, and India over the last few weeks, the country is expected to receive 108,000 doses of the AstraZeneca vaccine from the COVAX facility. These doses, once received, are likely to be used to immunize persons with underlying conditions and teachers according to the current vaccination plan. However, President Irfan Ali, during an address to the nation on Saturday, informed that 1 month has elapsed since the government's last interaction with the COVAX facility in relation to its pledge of 108,000 doses of the AstraZeneca vaccine. As such, he was unable to provide an update on when the vaccines will arrive in Ghana. COVAX, an initiative co-led by the World Health Organization, which provides equitable access to vaccines by third world countries, had initially committed to delivering the vaccines during the first quarter of this year. Additionally, President Ali disclosed that the government has submitted all the necessary documents to the African Union vaccine mechanism and is awaiting a response in relation to the supply of COVID-19 vaccines. The government has also finalized the procurement of 200 doses of the Russian Sputnik V vaccines, which are anticipated to arrive within 14 days.
Within 2 weeks, we'll get a first shipment of 50,000, and every 2 weeks following that, we'll get shipments of 50,000 until we get to the 200 doses that we'll have ordered from Sputnik.
Russia's Sputnik V coronavirus vaccine provides approximately 92% protection against COVID-19. Several other vaccine sources are also being explored to ensure that there is adequate supply to immunize at least 80% of the country's population. Temika Rodney reporting for the HGP Nightly News.